If you're looking for a video that's going to sell you something you don't want, you're in the right place. Just kidding. We'll be right back. All right, if you're here to see about a $98 camera that I had picked up, it's from Amazon, a seller named Doogek, or Doogek. And I did want to remind you, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, give us a like if you like the video. Let's get started here. User manual. We got this is a mini HDMI to an HDMI. I'm sure the mini probably goes into the camera. Regular HDMI out to your television or computer or whatever you're plugging that into. There is a manual here for the stereo microphone. Apparently it does come with a 2-channel or a stereo microphone. And then this I've seen on the box. It's a little handheld stabilizer piece. You can put your camera right up here. Obvious kind of things, and do your vlogging there. Those are pretty popular in this day and age. I do like this about it. I will admit that this is really cool to have a remote with this. It looks like a regular mini remote, and it's not one of those little thin flimsy things, so I do like that. Just, you know, first impression there. And we'll get into this thing and make sure this thing can do some performing. Now we got a older USB cable. I believe that's probably for charging. And then there's a little stereo 1/8 inch, stereo to stereo, kind of the old headphone jack. And then we got the charger, little plug-in charger. Your USB plugs right into that. And the stereo mic that's for sits right on top of the camera, it looks like. It's got the shoe mount and everything, so it's convenient enough. And now this is one thing I already noticed. I did look through here a little bit. 2 batteries, I do like that. It's always nice to have a backup, so hope more companies will start doing that, because with 1 battery, you know, you're dead in the water after a few minutes. And nobody likes that. So we have a little mini camera, 2.7K, IR, infrared, and then a little flip out screen. Pretty common for these little cameras. Does have a plastic body, so take note of that. That is for USB, it's probably for charging, maybe even transferring info. There is the plug-in for the, imagine that's audio. And then there's the mini HDMI port right there. Okay. There in the bottom, flip up tab, just slide that down, it pops up. You got your battery and your SD card slot right there. So it does have your normal cover, which is always nice. Very small sensor. There's 2 LEDs, then maybe infrared. Maybe that's the infrared part of that, which would mean this thing has night vision. There's modes, that may be what it is. I do want to say a few more things. This another little canvas case. These cases are kind of nice. It's coming out with these now, so I do like those. I will admit, more and more people are catching on to providing these canvas cases. Last thing you want to do is take it out, drop it once, and it's broke. This is a plastic case for the camera housing, so make sure you do take note of that. That is a big con for me. It does have some cool features though. The batteries, dual batteries, always a positive. Giving you these little handheld like stabilizer mount. That's always kind of nice. Them are really popular. This doesn't have any kind of a counterweights or, you know, any other way of really stabilizing. So I'm hoping the in-camera does have a stabilizer built into it. That'll be in the next video, which I'll be doing on this, which will be a complete review. And I hope this helped you if you are looking to purchase this. If you did like the video, make sure you give me a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And like I said, I'll do a detailed review shortly. Thanks for checking it out.